In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a location by latitude and longitude in Google Earth Pro. So to do this, first you want to open Google Earth Pro, you want to go to the top left here where it says search, and you want to extend this to actually be able to see the search box. Now in here is where you can basically type in your latitude and longitude, and you'll be able to find a location via that. So I'm just going to basically copy paste something random in here, which is some coordinates over here. So let's say these are the coordinates. This first one is latitude and this one is longitude. Okay, so we can do it like that. Click on search and it's going to take you directly over there. You'll basically see where that specific location is, just like this. It's going to give you a pin, and now I'm somewhere in here inside a forest. Okay, so that's of course one way to do this. Then the second way is to use degrees, minutes, and seconds, or DMS. So I'm going to show you this as well. If you want to use this, you can do that, of course. I'm going to actually copy these. I actually pre-prepared over here. There we go. And I'm going to paste them in, and there we go. If I click on the search over here, as you can see, it's going to again take me over here, which is the same. It's just like a different format of these coordinates. Okay, so that's how to find location by latitude and longitude. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.